This is how we change the charging socket. If we unscrew the 4 screws holding the back plate in, if we disconnect the 2 wires from the spade connectors, and then we need to undo the 2 M3 locking nuts. One at the bottom and one up the top. If we push that out, there is an earth strap, so take note. And then pop the new charging socket in, reconnect the earth wire, and with the 2 M3 locking nuts, tighten back up. Do those up tight. If you reconnect the 2 spades, brown to brown and blue to blue, tuck those in and screw the access panel back on. Making sure the screws are tight. That is it.